This is how to join that team. First, go to avatar and wait. Let me pick this. Characters. Person. Choose Roblox boy. Choose Roblox boy. And go to body. Choose the hair, the pal hair. Next, go to clothing, to classic pants, and choose that. Next, the t-shirt, the shirt, that. And go to the accessory and choose that. And go to that, I don't know. And choose that. Make it bigger. And move it up like that, and move it up. Now you join the team. So see you on Saturday. Bye.